Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Today our topic is Essay on Digital India for New India in English. What is Digital India? Digital India is a flagship initiative launched by the Government of India in 2015 with the vision of transforming the country into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. The primary objective of Digital India is to harness the power of information and communication technology ICT to bridge the digital divide, promote inclusive growth, enhance governance and improve the quality of life for Indian citizens. Digital India transforming the nation. Digital India is a transformative initiative launched by the Government of India in 2015 with the aim of fundamentally changing the way the country operates in the digital realm. This ambitious program envisions India as a digitally empowered society and a knowledge economy, fostering inclusive growth and development across all sectors. Here's a brief note highlighting the key aspects of Digital India. First, digital inclusion. At its core, Digital India seeks to bridge the digital divide by providing affordable and accessible digital services to all citizens, regardless of their geographical location or socio-economic status. Initiatives like BharatNet and Common Service Centers (CSCs) have been pivotal in expanding internet connectivity to remote areas, ensuring that every Indian has the opportunity to benefit from the digital revolution. Second, e-governance and transparency. The program emphasizes the adoption of electronic governance, e-governance to simplify and streamline administrative processes. This not only enhances the efficiency of government operations but also promotes transparency, reduce corruption and empower citizens to interact with government agencies online. Third, economic growth and innovation. Digital India has been a catalyst for economic growth, fostering entrepreneurship and innovation. Initiatives like the Unified Payment Interface (UPI) have facilitated financial inclusion and digital transactions, driving economic empowerment. Fourth, digital literacy and education. Recognizing that education is key to progress, Digital India promotes digital literacy and e-education. The National Digital Literacy Mission (NDLM) and platforms like Swayam offers accessible digital education, enhancing employability and lifelong learning opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, Digital India is not just a government initiative, it's a vision for a new India that is modern, inclusive, and technologically advanced. By focusing on digital inclusion, e-governance, economic growth, and education, Digital India is transforming the nation, positioning it for a brighter, more equitable future. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you are like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.